What's going on, guys? It's Jesse at Humble Auto Spa, and today we've got an awesome project. This is the brand new Mercedes-AMG GT55. And so if you know a little bit about these cars, you'll know that this platform debuted in 2024. Now the nameplate is a little confusing because the GT63, the big brother of last generation, was a big four-door sedan. This one is a two-door coupe. And so the nameplate can be a little confusing. If you kind of type in GT55, GT63 on Car Gurus or something, it sometimes will pull up the older vehicle, but this is the coupe. So I'm a 911 guy, and don't get me wrong, I love my Porsches, but this is the one Benz that I really love. I think the proportions of this car look really handsome. The power plant is the bomb. It's a twin turbo V8, and this car drives unlike its curb weight. So this car weighs well over 4,000 pounds, but when I took one out on a test drive, it drove like a 3,500 pound car. So today we're going to be doing our full Ultimate Armor package to protect this brand new car. That's full front end paint protection film to protect from rock chips and scratches, and the whole thing ceramic coated so that this GT55 stays clean. So all packages here at Humble Auto Spa start with a great prep. With our prep, we're going to be doing a 3-bucket wash. So that means 2 buckets to wash paint, 1 bucket to clean wheels and tires. So this is very important so that we don't cross-contaminate our mitts and our brushes, minimizing any chances of scratching and installing new swirl marks in the paint. Because we're doing paint protection film, we're also going to be cleaning the undercarriages of the car. So that means opening the hood, using a brush, getting in the nooks and crannies there, using the brush to clean all of the areas like the grill and whatnot. This is to ensure that we get every little speck of dust and dirt. Because if we're laying paint protection film, that dirt, if we do not clean it and if we rinse it, it gets lodged into the film and we lay and squeegee over, you can see that as contaminant. It looks super ugly. So this part of our prep is very important to make sure that we don't get any contaminants like that. On top of being thorough in the nooks and crannies, we're also going to be doing a clay bar over all of the paint. Clay bar removes embedded contaminants that are stuck that don't come out with a normal wash with a mitt. Clay bar is really important because we're doing paint protection film. We don't want to seal in those contaminants too. So this part is just an integral part of our prep process to make sure that the paint is squeaky clean. With our prep, we are going to be taking the wheels off as well. Our client has requested us to lift the vehicle up, take the wheels off, and ceramic coat the wheel faces, the barrel, and the brake caliper. And the only way to do that, obviously, is to get the car in the air. So we're going to be raising the car up, taking the wheels off, cleaning them, and coating them. I want you guys to take a look at this paint. So even though this vehicle is still relatively very new, look at the condition of it. There's swirl marks, there's some water spots, minor scratches that are already in the paint, and a lot of times, cars just come from the dealership this way. And so we're going to be doing a one-step paint correction to remove those blemishes prior to us sealing it in. Paint correction is a process where we take a polisher and we polish out those swirl marks and scratches. In doing so, it literally levels the paint. It removes those defects, but it's not that aggressive. So it's not like we're removing all your clear coat. It's actually very, very conservative. In doing so, the end result is a mirror-like polished finish with a deep vibrance and a beautiful gloss prior to us sealing it in and protecting it. With all of the paint prepped, it's finally time to start laying paint protection film. We're gonna go ahead and start with the hood. Now these hoods on these GT55s are very long, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing what's called a 4-corner stretch technique, which allows us to take one big piece of bulk film and stretch it across and get it evenly applied. Now, when we do a custom install like this, we're able to trim around the perimeter of the edge and tuck. Tucked edges when we're installing PPF is very important because not only does it look really good without any exposed edges, but that film, because it's tucked, is less likely to catch and lift, giving our client better durability over time on his PPF. Moving on to the front fenders, you can actually see that we've used a pre-cut kit. Now, a lot of times people hear kit and they immediately think that it sucks. And normally I would agree, but our kits are pretty fantastic because we actually extend and modify the kits so that the film goes over the perimeters just like the hood. When using kits, it's very important that our alignment is perfect. So you can see my team constantly kind of moving, shifting the film up, down, left, right, just to make sure that the cutouts are lined up perfectly to the hard edges of the car. So we're gonna start with things like corners, we go around things like trim, maybe badges, and then once all that film gets laid, because we've extended that kit, we can tuck on the top side of that fender. So you can see, just like on the hood, it's gonna be bespoke. Same goes for the front bumper. You can see with my team using a pre-cut kit, we're aligning things like the badge. Also, we're aligning things under the headlight, make sure that film is laid perfectly where it needs to go. And once it's squeegeed down, you can barely tell that the film is there. With this panel, you can actually see there's a few parts that are very, very deep and concave. And so the technique to get the film to stretch and conform to those surfaces is a lot more tricky. So what we're gonna be doing is we actually lay the film and then we manipulate it using our hand, and we use hot tack, which is effectively hot water, to get the adhesive to bite. There's a finesse to it, but in doing so, we're able to get that film to lay in one clean, cohesive piece. Even though we're using a kit, we actually like to hand trim our sensors. So you can see there's a bunch of these little circle sensors on that front bumper. A lot of times shops will just have them pre-cut out, and don't get me wrong, sometimes it's good, but more times than not, those little sensors can get overstretched and it doesn't look that clean. Our team prefers to trim by hand, and so we gently score the film with a sharp, fresh blade, and then we peel off that sensor by hand, so that cutout is almost perfect. Now that the paint protection film has been installed in the vehicle, it's time to seal in the car with a ceramic coating. Ceramic coatings are designed for chemical protection, so that means bug guts, bird poop, tree sap, dirt and grime. Those type of things are not gonna stick once the surface has been treated with a ceramic coating. And so we're gonna be treating all of the paint protection film, all of the glass, and the wheels. Now, what's really cool is because we're doing wheels off, we've taken the wheel off, we can clean the barrel more effectively, we can coat the barrel and coat the brake calipers as well. Ceramic coated wheels are fantastic, especially for sports cars. You'll find that brake dust doesn't embed itself quite as aggressively into the wheel, which means that even when these wheels do get dirty after being driven hard, they are a breeze to clean, just like the paint. And there you guys have it. That is our Humble Crew Ultimate Armor Package on this Mercedes-AMG GT55. You can see we've done full front-end paint protection film to protect that front end from rot chips, scratches, and swirl marks. And we've protected the entire vehicle in a ceramic coating so that this GT55 stays looking pristine. Packages like this are really great value. They protect everything you need and nothing you don't. And I personally rock this package on most of my cars. So if I'm rocking this package, you probably should too, right? If the owner is like, yep, this package is good enough for me, then yeah, this is a good package. Work like this generally will take about 3 to 4 business days, depending on the car and the kind of what we're doing, but the results are always worth the wait. Check out some of this B-roll. You can see because we did our bespoke install, it is very, very clean. That PPF looks almost seamless, and that ceramic coating and paint correction combo makes this paint pop like no other. So if you've got a really cool car that you want to protect, you've got a car that you'd like to enjoy, but you want it to look fantastic, then this is probably the package for you. It's Jesse at Humble Crew Auto Spa, and I'll see you next time.